Hey guys, this is Alvarez, and today we're going to be doing a quick guide on how to mine Ergo. That is the goal. Anyways, what I want you guys to start out with is the ergoplatform.org main page, and you're going to want to probably start out with, if you know nothing about Ergo, reading the Ergo Manifesto. And this kind of talks about the decentralization of crypto, Ergo getting back to the basics from like Bitcoin origins on decentralizing basically, and giving the power back to the smaller people and away from the large banks and corporations. You can go ahead and read over this, inform yourself. It's got why it's important, all the privacy information, and I mean privacy like Ergo can be a private coin, and keep your transactions out of, just read over this, trust me. So when you start out, you're probably going to want to inform yourself on whether or not you're going to be profitable mining Ergo. That's where whattomine.com comes in. I'll leave all the links in the description below. So yeah, if I click on the 3070 Ti, which is in this computer, this video is assuming you have a computer with a video card that's at least 4 gigabytes to mine Ergo. And Windows, because that's how we're showing you this. It'll tell you the profitability of mining Ergo. So as you can see on my video card, with my kilowatt hour, I'm actually slightly more profitable mining Ergo at 304 take home than Ethereum at 299, and that's because of the cost of my electricity. Ethereum is actually a little bit more profitable, but because of Ergo takes less electricity, it's actually more profitable for me to mine Ergo. Anyways, so this tells you how much Ergo I get a day, 0.4 on this card. So once you know that, and you know that you're profitable, you know what card you're using, you know that you want to commit your resources to this, probably where you want to start out with is getting a wallet. So on the Ergo page, it shows the different wallets you can get. Shows the Ergo desktop wallet, which is probably the most secure, just because it has all the information actually on your computer. There's a mobile wallet if you're on the go. We're going to be using the Euro web wallet. There's another web wallet I'm not familiar with, but make the best choice. Inform yourself. This is where you are storing your money. But I'm going to show you a quick setup on the Euro wallet. So you're going to click there. You're going to download the wallet for whatever browser you are using. The Chrome one, I believe it's supported for Ergo on Chrome and Firefox. Perhaps it's supported on the Internet Explorer thing, whatever they call it now. So you add the extension to your browser. It's checking, it's adding. Don't look at my personal information. I'll block that out. So you click on the extension, hit continue, read the user agreement. It's important. Read that stuff. So you make it to this page, right? You're going to create a wallet, right? Because that's what we're doing. You have no idea what you're doing with Ergo. Don't know where to store it. This is where you're storing it, creating a wallet. So you're going to click on Ergo here. You're not storing Cardano. I don't know how they pronounce it. ADA. So yeah, create wallet. That's what happens when you read everything online. So you name your wallet. You put in a password. You repeat putting in the password. Who would have thought that's 1 to 10? It's going to tell you a seed phrase. This is how you restore your wallet. This is very important. Do not give this to anybody. Do not give this to your girlfriend. Do not give this to your boyfriend. Do not give this to me. I will not give this to you. I'm lying. I'm going to give this to you because I'm not using this wallet. So this is the seed phrase. Give me 1 second while I write it down. Alright, so I've written down the seed phrase. So yes, I have written it down. And again, I'm not going to use this wallet for anything, so go ahead and keep the seed phrase. So you click all of these in the same order to get everything going. We'll probably fast forward through this. Alright, so it tells you not to, secret keys are secret. So you go ahead and click on there, read the information. I'm going through fast to get the setup for you. So this is how you set up your wallet. This is how you send and receive Ergo, right? It's going to tell you your transactions here. If you want to send Ergo, receiving address, the amount of Ergo. And this is how you receive Ergo. This is what's important for mining, because we actually need the wallet address to receive Ergo. So we're going to go ahead and copy that to our clipboard, because we're going to need that in a little bit. go back to the platform. You have to ask yourself, how do I mine? So click on the mining link on the Ergo main page. It's going to give you some basic information on mining, recommended 4 gigabytes of RAM like I was just talking about, the mining pools, some of the miners you can use, a mining calculator, tells you the different mining pools, doesn't really give you information on anything, but if you go to mining pool stats, it's got the link right there. So you can take that link over to here. It's going to tell you the different pools organized by hash rate. Obviously avoid the really large ones because we're trying to avoid a 51% attack on Ergo. You can go ahead and look at that, what that is by yourself. What the pool I'm going to be promoting on this is Leaf Pool, because at the moment they have a 0% fee, where all the other pools actually have a decent fee, like 1%, 3%. You can see all that right here. It's a smaller pool. You're going to get more rewards less often, where if you're on a larger pool, you're going to get less rewards more often, because it depends on how often they find a block, but still split between the people. So we're going to click on Leaf Pool. This is the one I'm recommending, just because it's got that cool 0% fee at the moment, so you get the most rewards out of it. So Leaf Pool is actually really cool. It's got all the information you need right here on how to set up. It's got some different GPU miners that it recommends. It's got the pool address, the port. That's basically everything you need. Super easy to set this up. All these kind of set up very similar for the different miners. This is the program you actually need to mine the Ergo. We're going to be using NB Miner because we can set it up for AMD or NVIDIA, so it doesn't matter what card you have, you can follow right along. T-Rex is usually better for NVIDIA, Team Red Miner is better for AMD, but we're going to get basic setup. We're going to be using NB Miner. So yeah, you just go ahead and download NB Miner, the WinZip, save that to your desktop. Ooh, look, it's right there. We're going to go ahead and show that in folder. And yeah, that's the desktop. So we double click on that, drag that out here, and there is our miner. It's super that easy. So we're going to double click on that, go to startergo.bat, and we're going to edit it. You're going to get a cool warning on your screen. Wow, that took a while to load. Go to more info. Obviously it says your PC's at risk. Use your own judgment. I hit run anyway. Alright, so this shows the basic information NB Miner needs to mine. Where you are mining, it wants you to go to Hero Miners. Don't do that. And then it shows the address, and then this where it says default is the name of your rig. You can name it anything. Alright, so that address I copied earlier, we're going to go ahead and paste it in there. Now it'll be mining to the address we just made. Hero Miners, we're going to go ahead and reopen this, and we are going to grab our US location. And we are going to put that right here. And then we are going to get the port, which I believe the port is 1111. Okay, so we got 4 ones. We're going to go ahead and save that. Save it. This is just how to mine, so I'm not going to go over overclocking at the moment. So you just double click that. Congratulations, you are mining Ergo. After your miner gets running, you are going to start showing in the actual pool, right? So you basically search for your address, and it's going to show your hash rate in a few minutes. It doesn't show it yet, but in Leaf Pool you can adjust a few things, like your minimum payout. It's set at 0.1 to begin with, but you can set it to 100 or whatever you want it to. That way, when you reach that limit, it'll pay you out. Yeah, it gives you an approximate earnings. It'll take a while for this hash rate to actually get up to where it's supposed to be. Like it says 17, it'll eventually get up to 160 on average. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit like, and if you want to subscribe, and maybe I'll make some more videos. Probably will. It's kind of fun. And see you next time.